We got a great comedian coming on stage. He is hilarious, and I know you know him. Put your hands together for the one and only Mr. Pingwing. Let's hear it!
Look on all this woman and say, the Lord is my shepherd, I see what I want. Woo! All of my friends them there. Hey, me could have hardly reach here, you know. Me out at the bus stop, I wait for a 36 bus. And one lady come to me and say, what you waiting on? I say, I'm waiting on a 36 bus. You know, you're idiot. Why you not take 2 number 18? Come again, you're the greatest. Will it. Anyway, hold on. On the year what the other day, me see a plane crash, you know, and 3 people survive. A Chinese woman, a Jamaican, and a Syrian woman. And guess what? As the plane crashed, so the Chinese woman get some powder and a powder up herself. Yeah, the two of them know what the other two. When you powder up yourself, a plane just crashed before you try to get rescue. You know when them come for rescue, them going to rescue me first because me well powder up, you know. I said the other one never do a thing more and get some gold chain out of the plane and put on. What you have put on gold chain for? I said, well, me full of gold, so them going to rescue me first. The Jamaican woman never do a thing more and pop off her clothes and paint up herself in a black. Yes, you the other two know why you paint yourself in a black for you know what? Let me tell you something. When a plane crash, the first thing them looking for is the black box. Hey, me I tell you last week, me take one taxi and guess what? One woman sit down at the back of the taxi. Before she pay the taxi man her fare. Taxi man, I can't find me fare, you know me love, you will take anything else. The taxi man like a idiot say yes. The woman strip herself making the man taxi back. Yeah, the taxi man and lady find something small and that, and I'm not change for that. Me God know you want, me God, wait. One more. Lord have mercy. Una sweet. Hey, una must go church, you know. Last week we go church and guess what? The pastor come on the pulpit and say, ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to approach this sermon in a different way. Instead of preaching, I'm going to call upon a word. And when I call upon the word, I want you to make a song of it. Some say, river. Some say, meet me by the river. I'm going to sing now, I cannot go to church. Meet me by the river, not far away. Them say, praise him. Them say, praise him. You know? Some say, sex. Nobody would start a song. He said, you want to tell me that nobody in the congregation can start a song with sex? You want like a old lady, you know? Precious memories, how they linger, how they touch my soul. Me gone about my business now because I get the banner break. Later on here, darling, keep us nice and all. Yeah? All right, me gone.